Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a interesting report that Google actually has shared with us. So Google has a project called Zero Day. Their project is to, of course, find security flaws of different services and products and software and hardware, and share that information with whoever makes that product so that it can be actually fixed, so that we have and we live in a more secure world. And of course, they have found a lot of security flaws in different products and services, but they've shared some interesting details about the security flaws. First of all, the Microsoft products represented 26% of the detected bugs last year. But look at Apple, 23%. Not very far behind. Apple has almost as many security flaws in its products than Microsoft does. And Google's own products, they have a 16% of bugs that are in the Google products. And of course, there's all sorts of other products that have security flaws. Now, when we look at the average time it takes to fix bugs, what happens is that the Zero Day project, once they find that there's a security flaw, it gives the company 90 days before it will actually disclose the flaw and say what it is. So it gives 90 days to the companies to fix their problems. So the average days to fix bugs in 2019, 2020, and 2021. For Apple, 71, 63, and 64 days. It was a little better, but it's still second place next to Microsoft, which is the top place for the general operating systems. 85 days, 87 days, and 76 days, which is very close to the 90-day, actually. Google took 49, 22, and 53 days. And finally, Linux is 32 days in 2019, 22 in 2020, and 15 in 2021. So they were pretty quick in general at fixing security flaws that were discovered by the Zero Day project of Google. And that shows you that there are security flaws in Linux also. Not stated here, the company that most often passed the 90-day mark was Oracle with its own software and products. So it's interesting to see these numbers and see how many flaws each operating system has compared to the other. Clearly, Microsoft being used more probably has a lot more to detect in security flaws of all sorts, depending on what they do. But look at Apple and Microsoft; they're almost neck and neck. That means that Apple has fixed as many security flaws as Microsoft, and that is another example of why, people thinking that Apple products are safer is an illusion, because that's not the case. But interesting statistics about these companies. Interesting to see that Microsoft isn't very fast at, fixing its bugs that are reported in the 0 days. So hope Microsoft can do a better job. We often complain of Microsoft not being fast enough in many aspects of its own business, and this is another aspect where they should improve that record and fix flaws much faster than what is here. Of course, one of the things about 0 Day flaws and flaws discovered by the Google projects is that most of them are not known to the outside world. So in that 90 days, since nobody else except Google knows, there's very little danger of having that security flaw used by a hacker. But once that 90-day passes, of course, that means that everybody will know what it's all about. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.